Tired of high fees and questionable practices? Let's ditch Minergate and dive into mining Ethereum directly on your PC. First, you'll need to choose a mining pool research and pick a reputable pool like Ethermine, F2Pool, or Nanopool. Consider factors like pool size, fees, and payout threshold before making your selection. Next, download mining software. Popular choices include Miner, Trex Miner, and Phoenix Miner. Ensure you download from the official source to avoid malware. For NVIDIA cards, Trex Miner is generally preferred. For AMD cards, Phoenix Miner often yields better results. Now, configure your mining software. This usually involves creating a bat file or editing a config file. You'll need to input your Ethereum wallet address, the pool address, and potentially worker names. Double-check these details to ensure your earnings go to the correct address. Time to start mining. Run the bat file you created. The mining software will connect to the pool and begin hashing. Monitor your hash rate. The higher, the better, and keep an eye on your GPU temperature to prevent overheating. Finally, keep an eye on your earnings. Most pools have a dashboard where you can track your progress and adjust your settings. Remember to regularly update your mining software and drivers for optimal performance and security. Good luck mining.